You can see here a nice little double bottom, strong breakout, now retracing back. Look at the 50% level there. Look at structure coming in there. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for another trading day. Today I will look at cryptocurrencies bouncing off strong support on weekly reversals, and there's some US dollar index, some Forex trades coming up, and a look at some currency strength also. If you look at the dollar strength now, as I've said yesterday morning, we could find resistance at that level there. And okay, I didn't expect this kind of drop as much as that. But right, a nice candle down the page confirming the bearishness that which started based on my indicator up there. The mercy run, and then it's coming down. It's coming down on long black candles, going up on small white candles, confirming bearishness. As long as we get a weekly close below this moving average, I think we should see another bearish next week. This could then go for this next moving average here, and we'll find support at these levels, but ultimately I think we should come and make a turn here in the next week or so. And so I am really looking at being dollar bearish. I've been dollar bearish since up there because of my indicators. So the dollar is really weak, together with the cat and the Swiss. And in general, I would like to be short in the rates, and I try to be long on the New Zealand, the Aussie, and the yen for today. Now I've got two trades coming up for that. In New Zealand, US, you can see here a nice little double bottom, strong breakout, now retracing back. Look at the 50% level there. Look at structure coming in there. So if this can retrace today here and give me some form of a candle reversal, I'm going to consider some longs. You can see the New Zealand is in the absolute, all the sparkle, and the dollar bottom of the pile. So this is one of the favorite pairs to be long in for me, but I'm not going to buy it up on those highs. I would like to see a retracement to get a nice swing trade in. Also on the US yen, we're trying to be short in the US and definitely long on the yen also. I'm not too worried about the Aussie because the New Zealand and the Aussie will do the same thing. So yen, I'm looking to be long on and short on the dollar. And shorting the US yen, that will give me that opportunity. On my mentoring program, we had a lovely short there. Nice shooting star short and hitting some targets here in the middle area here. But now we're looking at retracements. Look at the support level coming in there, that support level coming in there. So nice structure forming in the market. We're looking at the retracement back to 61% and the 50% level here. So this whole area becomes resistance to me at this stage. And nice candle reversals there. I'm going to consider some shorts later today. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Inkasu. Do you struggle with customer queries that takes up all your time? Contact Inkasu to help transform your website customer focus with an integrated AI staff member. For more info, check out the link in the description. Then going on to the cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, nice strong bounces. Look at these two candles for the last 2 days. Piercing line and a nice confirmation after that, testing those highs. Yes, we have to get above the $99,000 or $100,000 levels. The trend is still showing a bearish inclination here, so I'm not that keen yet to buy, but you can see how the market keeps testing these strong levels right at the halfway mark on the sweet spots. Definitely a lot of support coming in, consolidation. However, this could be consolidation for another break down the page, but if it reverses from here, we should see some explosive moves back to the all-time highs. XRP, look at that bullish engulfing, or more like a piercing line. Not a follow through yet because of the trend, but you can see on the 4-hour charts, I pointed out this support level to you, this resistance becoming support. And you can see the strong response now at that level. Will it fly up the page? I'm not saying that, but definitely some support coming in right at these levels we've been looking at. We had the sweet spot that became support, then the consolidation, then the break and the retest, reconfirming a higher level. So it keeps holding well, XRP. If I draw that kind of trend line coming down there, I would say, you know what, we just need that to break. That's the bottom line of the whole story. Once we get a break here, I think that should turn blue also, and then shortly after that we should get some entries. But we're going to need to break the levels of 280 to 290. That's basically what I'm after. Then we should revisit the all-time highs and go beyond. Solana on a weekly chart, look here, pattern, break, testing yet again. Look at the daily charts here. You can see a morning star busy forming there. Not 100% convinced yet. Solana has been doing the worst of them all over the week. We still have to negotiate that support level. But on the weekly charts, I have hope when I see this. So in a week or two, we could see a nice bottom reversal here on weekly charts. That's very strong signals. But we still have this falling, or let's call it a flag, and then the test. So it's walking the line, which is frustrating, but it's giving opportunity. You know, up there, I would tell people, would you like to buy Solana at these levels? They would all say yes. And now when it's there, they go like, ooh, now it's going to drop. I could never say it will not. But it's buying opportunities galore for the next run for 2025. That's what I'm after. So I'm keeping an eye on this weekly chart on Solana. Ethereum, battling a bit. ETH still very disappointing. I'm trying to find something in ETH. All we had was a little bit of a candle reversal last week, and it wasn't a reversal. We needed to close above the halfway mark. So the weekly chart just shows me again support. You can see the big support levels coming in, and you can test it there, and there. So it is holding. All we need now is a break above that falling trend line. It's not really a trend line, but that's down sloping line there. Once we can get a break above that, I think we're in the clear. Then all-time highs could be in for us. Let's say all-time highs, but those recent highs would be in for us. Right, so let's see. I would love to see it go back to the $4,200 and beyond now. So yeah, Litecoin weekly, very nice. You know, Litecoin looks very weak and meek and not doing that much. But if you look at this pattern forming here on the weekly chart, even on the dailies, you'll see on the dailies, nice big flag pattern. Tested 1, 2, 3 on the fourth attempt. Usually the market breaks on the fourth attempt. So I'm very keen on this breakout, the retest and the reversal. That could break this very long-term sidewaysness here. We already broke it, but it faded back in, but consolidating. So a break up there could push us then back up there to those areas there and beyond. So Litecoin, definitely one of the things I'm looking at here. I've been accumulating Litecoin for many years, since 2016. So it would be lovely to get a nice run out of it. In Cardano, look at this candle last week. Look at the sweet spot test of the halfway mark there. Nice piercing line on the weekly charts. I've pointed out all these support resistance levels for you last week. And very nice strong candle, retested almost the halfway mark, showing support. Also forming a consolidation right at support levels. So a breakout on this would also be great. But already looking on the weekly charts, you're looking at strong buying levels here. So it tested the halfway mark. I waited for that to see, right, it tested, now it's bouncing. If you look on the daily charts, look at the strong candles bouncing here. Yes, this black candle was not nice, but it's bouncing off yet again. So the weekly charts are getting confirmed. XLM, nice candle also last week. See here the candle closing above the halfway mark, which makes it a piercing line, which is very bullish. Then it came back during the week to the halfway mark of the body, and now bouncing off that halfway mark on nice strong candles. So the weekly reversals are getting confirmed on the sweet spots and now reversing. Again, looking at this consolidation, the patterns, guys, I'm getting so excited about cryptos when I see these patterns forming, and I know when they break, we're in for a big run for the rest of the year. Those recent highs will just break like a hot knife through butter. We could see face melting moves, and that's what I'm after. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please follow the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never ever trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.